Page 23, Serenade. Serenade is like a gentle love song, so to speak. It's a gentle piece. It's not our drinking song or party song or something. You take it easy here. So it's kind of the mood of the piece. They have a picture of a couple people on a boat, probably on, and he's got a guitar or a mandolin or something, and he's serenading her or whatever. Yeah, it's the atmosphere. But atmosphere comes later. We got to do mechanics first. 3/4 time, 2 sharps. We're in the key of D major. Make sure you can do the D major scale, 1 octave up and down. I got a video on it. Go look at the D major scale video. Do everything I say to do as far as the beginner part of that goes. I'm going to kind of take both hands at the same time here because of the way that's written. It kind of comes out that way. So in the left hand, your thumb here. So you're starting here, sort of. Right hand, the thumb in the right hand is going to play that first note here. That's an A. It's 2 ledger lines below the steps here. It goes with the first notes. That's why they're beamed together. They go together. You want to think of them as together, even though different hands are playing them. Think of them as though it's one hand we're playing them here, but 2 hands are playing them. And then third finger here and here. We got 2 voices here in the right hand. Hold the G down like so, and then again. And this note in the left hand, by the way, don't hold that down. Hold it down for the length it goes, and that's it. I tend to want to hold it down too long, so don't do what I'm doing. Just hold it. Okay, second line. 4th 5 here. It's a D and an E, and then add the B to it, and then a G sharp. Don't forget the C sharp. It's in the key signature. Last line, second ending. You're here. Came down a little bit. It's B flat, D, and then here. You come up a little bit. And then we have a C sharp, and then we have an A, C sharp F, and you have a G in the left hand, and then a D chord at the end. It's a D and an A and a D. So the last ending, the second ending. Practice that here to get all that. A little tricky. And once you can get a handle on that, get rid of the hesitations. A nice gentle 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we can add in the slurring and the staccatos. Connect this. Want to connect all that together. And then the staccato, wrist staccato, just a little move. Accent the staccato. And so it's no. Sometimes we tend to accent just because we're bouncing off of it. Careful, don't. So it's and the second ending, it's here. Staccato, both hands here. So you do the articulation, and then for the dynamics, they don't give you any. Isn't that pleasant? Get to know the piece, and what do you feel the dynamics should be? Pick something, interpret something. You start in the middle, and then you can get louder or softer depending on how you feel it. Here. Like in the first ending there, I tend to want to put in a swell in there. Come on, a little louder, back off. That's just how I might feel it there, who knows. And then at the end it might get softer. At the end, come down off of it. That's my impression of it. Allegretto, that's between moderato and allegro. I don't know if that's appropriate for a serenade or not, but that's what they've done. So it's the feel of it. 1, 2, 3. It's like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1. By the way, in the left hand, on the quarter notes, there's a tenuto on that. Hang on to that. Don't cut that a least bit short. Carry it over. You can actually hold it down, lift it up right after you play those notes, if you want. Not the eighth notes, just those quarter notes. Something. I'd play this 10 times, I'd play different every time. That's the idea. You get into it and explore and experiment and try playing it different ways at different times. See what you think. See what you like. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. We will do the repeat and all that, so I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, and go, and. Repeat.